Yo, my turn. Yo, while y'all listening to Future, I listen to Uma Johnson. Ride up in the Uber with a tech tucked in my boxes. Aim it at the system for locking up all the fathers. Shoot up all the judges, start picking off all the lawyers. POCOs, I'm banging on them like a Hoyer. Steph Curry with the shot I won't miss, cause I'm a warrior. Warrior, I'm a warrior. It's that Nat Turner rebirth of America. America, the beautiful America. Not beautiful, it's just good old Miss America. My girl Mix, she black and white, she call her Panda. Before Hitler killed the Jews, he gave them propaganda. Why you think we on social media? Cause the media only portray the negative, they feed you sedatives. They licking shots at my relatives. I know I'm not the one y'all like to talk about, cause I'm still in the cotton fields, I ain't in the house. Nigga, you in the house, what you talking about? Nigga, did you discuss what we talked about? Poverty, murder, they killing our babies. Did you tell them we know they brought the crack in the 80s, declared war just to fill they penitentiaries crazy? Then what you talking about, nigga? If it ain't about that, then you ain't talking about nothing, nigga. Talk about facts. If you talk about Katrina, I asked him about Serena, why she ain't getting top dollar when can't nobody beat her, huh? Warrior, she a warrior. This that Nat Turner rebirth of America. America, the beautiful America. Not beautiful, it's just good old Miss America. Black jeans, white shirt, call it Panda. Before Hitler killed the Jews, he gave them propaganda. I see these niggas cooning in they video. I blame Arsenio for leaving us like where he go. Cause ever since niggas, they been walking funny. Listen to he can start talking funny, but me, I'm unapologetically black. And if you ain't, then you worse than a rat. Should give you two to his back. See that's that Nat Turner coming out. It's so hard not to let him out. Get him. Why you hate me? Cause of my melanin that makes my brown skin that make you label me a felon. When in actuality, y'all the ones doing the selling, doing the killing, but you still label me the villain. No. Not no more. Malcolm X had a chopper, I got my fofo. Let's go. Warrior, where my warriors? This that Nat Turner rebirth of America. America, the beautiful America. Not beautiful, it's just good old Miss America. Yeah, PR man. Follow me Facebook, you know. I'm around, man. New video coming out, hey young world, let's get it. It's gonna be a hot summer.